In this lecture, I want to talk about links. Say refresh. Okay. For creating a link, use a tag, means anchor link. Then use href equal double quotation. Href means hyperreference and short form of hyperreference. Then set your address http www.google.com and then close a tag. Save, refresh. I want set name Google. If I click on Google, go to the Google site. I put it in paragraph because I want set another link under this link. I want set another link, that link to the image. I want set link to the image. href and http ://www.yahoo.com. Then set my image src, in images cat.jpg, and set width 200 pixels. Don't need type pixels, and height 200 pixels. Then close the a tag. Save, refresh. href, sorry. Now save it, refresh. If I click on image, go to yahoo.com site. I can set if I click for example this link, open this link in new tab, set target equal in quotation double quotation mark underline blank, and save it, refresh, click, there you go, open Google in new tab. I can type a local link here, for example create another link, save as, and local link.html, and copy this one, local link in paragraph, I am Atif. Save. I create another link, href local link.html, and close the A tag and P tag. Save, refresh. Oh, sorry, local link. If I click on local link, go to my local link. I am Atif. I want to show you a trick. I hope you see those sites that have a button that back to top. Now I want to show you how to create it with HTML. I create several image link for scroll down and up it. Save, refresh. Yes, very good. Set link href and top. Close it. And back to top. Then set an ID to the first image link. My first image link, I cut this one. My first image link is here. Set ID top, this one, and save, refresh. If I click on back to top, oh, I want set with hash symbol. Save, refresh. If I click back to top, there you go, this one. You should set a hash symbol because I use ID. You will know more about ID in CSS section. Okay, I create another one, href fourth, 1 2 3 4. Set an ID fourth. I want back to fourth one. Refresh. Back to fourth. Save, refresh. Click on back to fourth. There you go. This one. I want to set a this one is fourth picture, that you know which one is fourth. Refresh. Okay, If I click back to fourth, there you go, this one. The fourth one is top, is the top of your browser. Okay, fantastic. Please practice, and if you